Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's boy Jambisco back with a banger reaction. Yeah man gang, you see what we're doing today. We're back in the Bloodclay Music Lab and we're back with another banger reaction. The war continues, you know. But yeah man gang, it seems that it seems like Shadow messed up. Shadow look like he bring Renee 613 at the war and if he try style and this the Marco, but the Marco goes so boom, look at Marco saying that they do and turn him Bloodclay crosshairs, meaning in scope. You see me turning scopes for Renee 630 and say, yo, you know I let you have it too, you know. Everybody a man, woman, everybody I get it. Equal rights and equal lefts around this bitch. You see me I say? So you are get it too, man. You see me? So I turn it. So I for Renee 630. We are gonna check it out as man. The Marco, Rogue, Real Thugs. Let's get it, gang.
Every man in another party who knows that no girl not no secret for your mouth. Why you take out your lighter, put your in the ear.
Take out to fire no say no girl not no secret for your mouth. Take out to lighter right now.
Yes, so now you know why?
Real thugs and that you sure about and a girl can't point no finger on your mouth.
That's facts. So he dog say, nah, this is nothing about this right now, make a girl, Rogue. Okay, make a girl like this. Alright.
Tell Gwen Stefani, no doubt, and no girl can't point no finger on your mouth. Shove up your one in the air and shout.
That's facts around here, man. You put up on a show.
From a girl can't point no finger on your mouth. When the real thugs get from you, them out. When no girl can't point no finger on your mouth.
Go walking on the road in the
hey, yo, hold on, the Marco the pan it out. Me don't say that the pan it.
big ladder straighter, looking at the sky straight to God, me no hater. Food and drinks, and one go pat them a tater.
I mean, man, the thugs them, you know. Hey, can't put up your hand, you know. You have a problem.
KK way they get me eye like a face. And no man to me split for me a smoke for me rafer. Me no eat. Ask laser, no freak, no.
Come in, man. But I'm gonna go some old school chopping, old school beat, you know, style, not old school, but the style, yeah.
Sneak not the inner clicker. Me a go make the girl tell you to the speaker. Say what? Real.
Say what? From your nose say, listen to the hook, you know. Yeah.
Thugs and that you sure about and a girl can't point no finger on your mouth.
That we sure about.
Tell Gwen Stefani, no doubt, and no girl can't point no finger on your mouth. Shove up your one in the air and shout. From a girl can't point no finger on
Big up your damn self. Big up on yourself.
your mouth. When the real thugs get from you, them out. When no girl can't point no finger on your mouth.
Hey, come here now, man. Bright and feisty. Call up the thugs, them. Right.
No time a girl can't violate we. Cause we have one a pride and we face it. Real talk.
Fox. No time no girl can style. We have one pride and we feisty. You know what I mean, man? Yo, I mean, I know what I heard, man, you know that, but we're full of pride, you know, girl can come call my name for certain things, you know, don't bright up yourself, you know, move up, you tell about, hey, move up.
The good face where the waist be. Girl are no chicken and rice with the green.
You know, some man do anything down, no shame. People don't know, right? But you know. Oh, you live in yourself, brother.
Stiff cocky make the girl pan a daily. Enough of them a freak, them boy they can't heal me.
Bring your light mill and a ID, come bail me.
Cause we not keep the thing them.
Yeah, hey. So all the guys they got no shame, you know. Why not walk entirely?
Safety so.
Real thugs and that you sure about and a girl can't point no finger on your mouth. Tell Gwen Stefani, no doubt, and no girl can't point no finger on your.
Hey, I want to learn about that all, look. Funny thing, you know, you learn about that all. For the artists where I say they do them free, you know. You see me, but sometimes these artists being fake is good. Because when them fake and act like they do anything, the youth come and say, yeah, and them bono actually live their lifestyle like that, not doing it. You see me? I look like, bro, I don't know how it. You don't talk like you know it. But you don't know it, dog. You don't low out here. You don't low.
Shove up your one in the air and shout. From a girl can't point no finger on your mouth. When the real thugs get from you, them out. When no girl can't point no finger on your.
And one thing in Jamaican society me don't like do. The fact that them so when you know say then in when they know say them thing have okay now and the man do anything when they know say they can ruin the man reputation and ruin the man. You know? Yeah, so they say they think and that a fuck woman like them they are wicked.
Walking on the road in the middle of the street, looking at the sky, swear to God me no hater. Food and drinks alone go pat them a tater. KK where they get me I like a face.
Oh, you mean, man? Food and drinks alone. That's facts, bro. But I know it. Hey, that's facts, though. You see me? And yo, Rene, if you know, say the Marco don't do them thing, and I can call him a name for anything that you're wrong for that, mama. You forgot. Because you know, just by saying they want to do that, and you know, say man don't do it, you know, so not gonna mess up nothing, and for the man, and make the man look away. The fuck up for that, you know, general.
No man to me split for me a smoke for me rave. Me no eat ox laser. No freak, no sneak.
Yeah, man, say you know eat ox. Who's Lisa? Who's Lisa gang? Oh, Lisa hype. Which Lisa Matabo?
You know the click. Me a go make the girl tell you to the speaker. Say what?
Real thugs and that you sure about. And a girl can't point no finger on your mouth.
Oh, I'm tear man. Dog say yo, you might fat, you know, but I know everything in there.
Gwen Stefani, no doubt, and no girl can't point no finger on your mouth. She up your one in the air and shout from a girl can't point no finger on your mouth.
Yo, and if I don't do that, bro, if I don't do them together, I can you sue them girl for defamation of character. Big man thing. Yeah, man, can I call my name? I have to prove that. You see me? Yeah, man, defamation, man, me I sue the man.
When the real thugs get from you, they're about when no.
Me sorry, me not that forgiving person. You can't consider foolish about me and then cause I'm a man, I'm gonna look that out. No, me I sue your blood clean, man, cause you have to go prove that. Yeah, I have to go prove that. Yeah, man. Video, picture, you have to go prove that, man.
Real thugs and that you sure about. And a girl can't point no finger on your mouth. Tell Gwen Stefani, no doubt. And a girl can't point no finger on your mouth.
That Gwen Stefani line. Gwen Stefani. Oh, Gwen Stefani dropping at this. Does she have a song name on her mouth or some shit? Me don't know now. Or is that a shot at Bounty? I don't know, bro. Oh, Bounty does he do a song Gwen Stefani. Oh, Gwen Stefani drop in. I don't know.
You one in the air and shout from a girl can't point no finger on your mouth. When the real thugs get from you, they're about. When a girl can't point no finger.
No found no go hear the song I play in a party and no can't even move. No found man out there. No found no go hear the song in a party and no can't move. I know girl I go look for no, cause no know say no low. I no know say no girl ever no afraid. No girl she no so no can't go put up on one no low. You see?
I am out.
Beat bad, man. Beat bad. Song bad too. You see me? I found a nice boy and I go like the one. Bad tune, man. Yeah, man. A bad man. Yeah, man. For real thugs and for the dogs, I'm going to hold it. You see me? When you know that a girl now no secret for you, me G. You see me? Big up on no damn self. You see me? When you know that a girl now no secret for no. You see me? A girl can't call her name for no lowness. A girl can't take her for no either. You know what time it is, man. Big up on no damn self. You see me? I say. Yeah, man. The song bad, bro. No found no angle like the tune. I found a note in on myself, so no low. So when the night time off, crew now do. Damn, don't tell me I recorded this whole shit and I didn't turn on the damn freaking video. Oh, that was such a good reaction. That was my first time hearing that damn song.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.